Hello everyone, welcome back to Assam Career Nokri. So today we are going to talk about some 15 work from home jobs, okay? So here it's about August month and here it is. So I bought you guys work from home that is you can do from home and you can do this work through virtual like from laptop or from phone. So today I'm going to tell you about 15 work from home which are recently hiring in companies, and also I'll be giving you some information about all the 15 jobs I have bought for you guys. So if you guys haven't subscribed my channel, you guys can subscribe because I also bring an English content video for work from home all India jobs. So first of all, I like to say like my like target is 100 likes. If you want to support me, you guys can like. And here are 15 jobs I'm going to talk about in today's video. So if you guys feel bored, you guys can make it watching this video till end. You guys go to the settings section and make it 1.5x. Then you can listen it nicely in a more faster way. So let's dive into the video. So the first thing is Amazon Virtual Customer Associate. Location you can see remote. Remote means what? You can work from home, right? So the salary is 3 lakhs from 4.5 lakhs per year. That means you have to divide it by 12. That means 12 months. Then your monthly salary will be popped out. So next is eligibility. Any graduate or freshers can apply out here, and the apply button is given out here directly. You can just click and you can just apply it. And if you guys don't know how to apply, you guys can contact me, and my WhatsApp number is given in the starting of the video whenever you open the website. So next, Clear Desk Data Entry Executive. Location is remote. Salary will be 4 lakhs per year. That means 4 lakhs divided by 12. You can make it and you can see how much will you be earning in monthly wise. So eligibility will be graduate and freshers. All right. Then next, this TV customer support. As of you guys know about this TV, like it's very famous in India since long years ago. So customer support executive has been like coming up, hiring process is going on. So location is remote and salary will be starting from 20,000 to 25,000 per month. And eligibility is if you guys have 12 pass or graduate, you are eligible to apply it right here. And next, J&J Technologies BDA. Location will be remote. You can work from home from any places around this India. If you are in India, you can work from home, and salary is 3 lakhs to 60,000 per year. And eligibility will be graduate. All right. Next, Flipkart Customer Support Voice. Location will be remote, salary will be 25,000 per month, and eligibility will be graduate. Next is Miso Operation Associate. Location will be remote, salary will be 22,000 per month, and eligibility will be any degree you can apply. Next, Accenture Content Moderator. Accenture, you know, it's a very famous company out there in India, and you can work from home. Location remote, as of you guys know about remote, the meaning is you can work it from home. Just you need mobile phone or laptop and you can start away. Salary will be 30,000 per month. Eligibility will be graduate. If you have any graduate degree in any stream, you guys can apply it out here. Next, teleperformance chat support. So this teleperformance, these people hire people for Miso, Flipkart, Myntra, and many companies are tied up with this company, and this company helps them to get customer support. Some hiring process is going on right now. Location is remote. Salary will be 28,000 per month. Okay. And eligibility will be graduate. Next, Share Chat Community Support. Even this is remote, work from home. Salary will be 25,000 per month and eligibility will be any graduate. Next, Byju's Online Tutor. Location will be remote. Salary will be 300 to 500 per hour. So that means if you get per day, even 900, if you get 300 or 500 per day also, you might ended up earning 15,000 to 20,000 per month. So any graduate can apply out here. Next, work in India, typist, data entry. So this is like, if you guys know how to type it and in a faster way, and you can directly apply it out here, because this is a typist data entry job where you can work from home and salary will be 15,000 per month. And eligibility will be any 12 pass, 10 pass, anything, any graduate diploma you have. Just you need basic computer skills, that's all. Next, Foresight Digital. Digital Ads Specialist. Location will be remote. Salary is 55,000 per month. Eligibility will be Ads Platform Experience. Next, Sprinto Support Manager. Location will be remote and it is completely work from home, guys. You guys get the link in my Telegram group and you guys can apply it directly from my website. And this is my website. You guys can directly apply because apply button is out here. This is the green button. So number 14, Paired Affiliate Marketing Executive. Location will be remote. That means work from home, as of you guys know already. And salary will be 45,000 per month. And eligibility will be digital marketing. All right. So if you are already in digital marketing, for example, you know many things about digital marketing like affiliate marketing, Facebook advertisement, and many things. So you guys can apply it out here. Next, Internsala, remote internship and jobs. Location will be remote and salary will be 5,000 to 20,000 per month. Eligibility is students or freshers. Suppose you are a student studying in class 12, but you don't have any experience, but still you can apply it out here. So this was the 15 work from home and you guys can apply, and any knowledge or any information you want more from us, then you guys can contact in our Telegram channel. So this is all about 15 work from home jobs for August month. And yeah, tomorrow you guys will get another new video in English content and in my local language, that is Assamese. So all the best guys. Bye bye. Take care.